Rod come back and get us.
Okay, it's been about a week or two. Let's get an update on the Corvette.
You're ready.
I'm ready. Go
We're
for
rolling. Update on the Corvette. We have it under full primer now. This is the next to the last stage. Next stage is painting. All the bad parts on the fender have been repaired. This fender that was almost totaled is now as smooth as a brand new one. The other one's good. All the spots have been taken care of.
it. That spot on the front fender with that where it was kind of eaten through, was that on?
This is where it was soft and you could almost put your finger to it.
Okay, yeah.
After it came up and we repaired it, and it was in bad shape. All fixed and ready to go. It's been reinforced underneath, fiberglass on top. Like I said, it's all been primered, the whole thing.
That's when they lost.
The painter is now on vacation. He'll be
That's
back.
convenient.
Well, it needs block sanded, so he brought it. He called me and said, "Come and get it. You guys block sand it. When I get back, I'll check everything you've done and redo what I have to do."
Yeah.
So pretty much we're. You got the inside of the deck where the convertible top's painted.
How long did it take him to do the primer coat?
Offset.
Pardon?
How long did it take him to do the primer?
He had the car a week. Took it to him on Friday and picked it up on Friday.
Okay.
So
So how?
this is it. This is
When was the last time the body looked this good in terms of just?
35 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's never been down this far.
Yeah.
Never had it off the chassis, so it's coming along.
And how many problems with the body
Of course, the tire is 4 or 5.
did you find out when you were like stripping it down and sanding it and looking at the fiberglass that you didn't really know about before you started?
No real major problems. There are a few small cracks around some of the moldings that are hidden by the moldings. You didn't see anyway. You didn't find until I took the moldings off and had it stripped. The two fenders are really the only major problems I had with it to have repaired.
And you knew about those.
And I knew about those, right?
Yeah.
Knew about those, and of course the firewall. Had to redo the firewall.
Right.
So it's real close. I've probably got about 4 to 6 hours so far in block sanding it. Got another 4 or 6 to go, and it'll be pretty much done and ready.
And you
for
kept that hole in the middle of
in my tunnel hole.
yeah, your tunnel hole where like your transmission blew up.
You probably have to come back. There it is, still there.
Yeah. Okay. Tell us about that again.
Back in the day when I was street racing, the clutch blew up, and that is the hole that the drive shaft and the transmission rubbed in the tunnel. So I always have a soft spot in my tunnel for my.
Yeah.
That was,
Is that going to be a problem to leave it like that?
no. It doesn't blow any water up through it.
Yeah.
Air doesn't come up through it. Carpet covers it.
Gotcha.
And if you don't notice there is a paint over it.
Yeah. You'll never know.
Yeah. It's all about
Yeah. Have you ordered your wheels yet?
a wheel came in.
Really?
The third wheel finally.
Yeah.
I have it over here.
Oh, let's take a look at it.
Yeah.
Did the trick. Well, NKGs are pretty good.
This is the latest wheel, and I hope the last
How many
wheel.
miles around the plug you took out?
OEM wheels. It's 17 by 8.5.
Change
Yeah.
spark plugs, what, every
A copy of the original
5
C5 wheels.
What you had.
So
90.
that's
So is this like not the first one you've gotten?
this is the third wheel I've tried.
So the first they didn't fit right?
The first one was too big, too wide. The second one was stuck out too far. It didn't have enough offset on it.
Yeah.
Back spacing. This one hopefully has the right back spacing, right offset, and everything's going to work out
Yeah.
well on it.
Yeah.
But I won't know to get the chassis back so I can stick it up on it and measure.
Right.
was clear down into
Yeah.
the porcelain.
Yeah, those will look good.
And the other one had,
No wonder it missed.
I don't know what that was.
So when the painter guy gets back from vacation, which will be when?
Probably next week, but I don't anticipate him taking it till the middle of May.
Okay, and it'll take him 2-3 weeks.
Oh no.
No.
Oh no. This will be a quickie. He'll have it 3 days at tops.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll have it blocked enough that he's happy with it. He'll hit a couple spots that are still in need.
Yeah.
He had a couple places marked that were holes. in the fiberglass. He didn't see till after he got the primer on it. He has those marked with tape, and we'll go over those. And then he'll go over all the sanding and make sure it's smooth for him and shoot it.
And is he going to do it just like on one pass of paint, or is he going to do layers? Or how many coats?
I think he said he had 3 on the doors, 3
Okay.
coats on the doors.
Yeah.
So I'm expecting, yeah, somewhere in there.
Yeah, and Boyd showed me the bill for just to buy the paint for this stuff, the PPG paint. And I mean, you know, just a little can of that stuff was like $500.
Yeah.
And you had to buy 3 or 4 cans, 4 or 5,
A little over $1,900.
just in paint.
Paint and primer, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, paint and primer. I mean, yeah, the days of paint. I don't know how Earl Shy paints them for $3.99.
Yeah.
I don't know how he did it before, but I don't know how he even does it now.
Yeah, his margins must have been something else.
Buy it in 55-gallon drums.
Yeah, really.
The only way you can do it.
And then there's like additive you have to put in the paint,
Right.
which is like $100-$200 for these little
Yep.
mini pints of
Lots
stuff.
of stuff to mix in it.
Yeah, it's
Once
crazy.
it's mixed, you got to use it.
And then there was some other stuff you put in the paint that was like help it dry faster or harden.
Yes, hardener.
Okay. Yeah. So it's not just about picking out your paint color and buying the paint.
No, it's more of a process than I thought it was.
Yeah. Yeah.
More involved.
No wires?
Okay. Well, I mean, that pretty much.
It's coming now.
Yeah, that pretty much tells the story up to now. So we'll check back in a few weeks when Mr. Painter gets back and he'll throw some paint on it. We'll take a look at it. So if you like this video, like it. If you don't like it. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at ChrisWorldTV. And if you haven't subscribed today so you never miss an episode. Take care.